Hello, vloggers. I am home. Trying to find fruit. You eater. Okay, vloggers, there's nothing to eat. And when there's nothing to eat, you grab an ice cream cone and eat it. Is it good? I'm gonna go on Musical.ly. Oh, yeah. Gonna watch Lively. I'm gonna click Lively. When the Lively's done. Lively's done, but I have to end this vlog really shortly. I know it's not a really vlog, but yeah, because camera gonna die. Bye. Subscribe, like, comment, and share my vlogs, and I'm gonna vlog later again because this one's not a bad vlog. So yeah, this is gonna be in parts 2. This is not part 2, but this is gonna be in parts.